All right. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this quick demo. This is Mark Smarsley. I'm CEO of HipPocket. And we're going to look at here how the HipPocket app works on one of our clients' website. And this is Union Bank and Trust. A little over 30 branches in Nebraska and Kansas, almost 3 billion in assets. And you can see from their website, they've got a lovely scrolling banner here, lots of great ad space to talk about, in this case, uh, designer debit card, mortgage specials, or in this case, the HipPocket app. Their banner ad says, "Are you curious? Is your mortgage rate better than your friends? Click here to find out." And from there, first step in the HipPocket app is a landing page here that's totally customized and designed for your bank or credit union. So you can do anything you want here. All the text is totally editable by you as well as the imagery. So if you're advertising this on social media or another web property like your hometown newspaper, whatever ad you had would be mimicked here, as well as whatever text you want. It can go right there. So in this case, we're just talking a little bit about the value. What you're going to get at the end of this is an analysis. If you're falling behind your peers, could you refi? Try our unique tool and find out where you stand. So they click on find out. The app's got 3 easy steps here. First one here, tell us about yourself. The customer or prospect is going to input their age just on a slider here. So let's say this person is 36 years old. Zip code here, easy to edit for any given market, obviously. Estimated credit score here, we've got these little hover icons here. So if an individual is not sure exactly what their credit score might be, a little self-explanation there. So good credit, excellent, average or below. And then are they married or not? We just want to maybe get a heads up if this is a joint application. And again, 4 easy steps. The disclaimers are dependent on what you want to do with your financial institution. Again, this is a live website, our clients, and they have a pretty simple disclaimer there that this is a peer comparison tool, not an advertisement. Individual clicks one through there, so step 1 is done. To tell us about yourself. Now we're going to talk about your mortgage, since this is the mortgage refi tool that they're using. So the individual will input their estimated home value, maybe 190, current mortgage balance 140, remaining term, again all on sliders, 26, interest rate obviously goes down, goes up, etc. Let's say this person's at, let's say, about a 5%. They can go back again, or they can go through and click to the next. So their mortgage information is 4 easy items. It'd be very similar if you were running the auto loan application through HipPocket, or if you wanted to run the retirement, we click a little bit more information on step 1 and step 2, but otherwise we want to keep this pretty simple to get as many people through it as possible. So then we click next, and then from there, the population here, it comes up through on kind of a two-sided. So on the left side here is here's where you are now. So there's you, the individual. You just inputted your information, estimated home value, interest rate, your peers. So the peer group is built on the information in the first step that you put in there. So age, zip code, credit score, marital status. So in this case, we've got 65% of your peers are getting a better rate right now. If you scroll down here, there's you, the individual at 5%. Here's the people that are behind this individual, she or he. And then as you go down on the left side there, again, you see the peers that are ahead, but more importantly, we've got a built-in amortization table here. So in this case, if this person could get down to a 3.75, they could save $31,000 in interest over the 26-year loan. So a little bit more disclaimers from the financial institution. And then on the right, so importantly, here's where you stand now against your peers, but what can you do about it? Again, these are variable messaging here based on the bank's current 15 and 30-year rates. So this person is a great candidate for savings. Please contact us today, and they can actually contact us via the tool. They can go right to check rates through MoreTech or apply online. This institution has MortgageBot as part of their online app process. But if they do the contact us, this is still within our app. I put in my information here, phone number, and this information is going to deposit down right directly onto the bank's website so that I don't have to take any information. HipPocket doesn't get any personalized information about your customers or prospects. It stays within the app. Other comments here, this is great, or whatever. And then they hit the submit. And then that would basically then generate a loan lead. In this case, it goes to the bank's website. It sweeps over, emails the head of mortgage, marketing, etc. That's pretty simple though, and that's what the HipPocket app does. It's again designed to engage your customers and prospects in an intelligent consultative conversation about where they stand now in their mortgage rate, auto loan, or retirement, and then position the bank as obviously the person who can assist, alert them to potential savings, and then go through and actually refinance the loan that they may have elsewhere. So That's it. Again, this is Mark Smarsley, President and CEO of HipPocket, and hopefully you'll go down now and schedule a demo so we can talk more about the business case for this and how it might work within your financial institution's website. Thank you.